How to review interactions on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review interactions on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find the activity log, and now just click interactions, and as you see here you can review your comments, likes and reactions, and there's monitoring here. And now just select anything you want to manage, just click on it and you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.